Get ready to discover one of the most fascinating creatures in nature, moths. These often underestimated insects hide incredible secrets that challenge our understanding of the world around us. You may have seen a moth flying around a lamp, but did you know that, in many ways, they are just as remarkable as butterflies? Let's explore everything about them, from intriguing curiosities to mysteries that science is still trying to unravel. Moths belong to the order Lepidoptera, the same as butterflies, but with significant differences. One of the main distinctions is their activity period. While butterflies fly during the day, most moths prefer the night. This doesn't make them any less important or impressive. In fact, some species of moths have vibrant colors and mesmerizing patterns, rivaling the most spectacular butterflies. And what about their incredible diversity? There are about 160,000 known species of moths, but scientists believe this number could be much higher. They are found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to habitats ranging from tropical forests to arid deserts. This extraordinary adaptability is a testament to their resilience and importance in maintaining ecological balance. One of the most fascinating characteristics of moths is their transformation during their life cycle. It all starts with eggs, which hatch into voracious caterpillars. These caterpillars feed on leaves, storing energy for the next stage, the pupa phase. Inside the cocoon, a true metamorphosis occurs. It's as if the caterpillar dissolves to be reborn as a completely different being. When it finally emerges, the moth is ready to explore the world. But what attracts moths to lamps? This behavior, known as phototaxis, remains a mystery. Some theories suggest they use light for navigation, confusing artificial sources with the moon's glow. Others speculate that light interferes with their sensory systems, disorienting them. Whatever the explanation, this attraction can be dangerous, as many moths end up dying because of it. In addition to their connection with light, moths possess impressive sensory abilities. Their antennae act as highly sophisticated sensors. Some species can detect odors from miles away, using this skill to find mates or identify specific plants to lay their eggs. This sense of smell is so refined that it surpasses that of many other insects. Another intriguing aspect of moths is their relationship with camouflage. Many species have wing patterns that make them almost invisible among vegetation. Others mimic predator forms, such as the eyes of birds or snakes, to scare off enemies. This ability to hide or intimidate is essential for their survival in a world full of predators. Some moths, however, go beyond camouflage and adopt even more surprising strategies. For example, the tiger moth emits ultrasonic sounds to confuse bats, their primary predators. These sounds interfere with the bat's sonar, making capture more difficult. It's as if they have an integrated technological defense system. Truly impressive. And what about the size of moths? While some are tiny, with wings measuring just a few millimeters, others are gigantic. The Atlas moth, for instance, has a wingspan that can exceed 30 centimeters, making it one of the largest in the world. Its wings feature patterns resembling snake heads, a feature that scares off predators and highlights its grandeur. Although they are often associated with the night, some moths break this stereotype and fly during the day. The hummingbird moth, as its name suggests, resembles a small hummingbird. With agile and rapid flight, it feeds on nectar, playing a vital role in pollination. Its presence in gardens is a spectacle, delighting everyone lucky enough to witness it. Speaking of pollination, moths play a crucial role in this process. While bees often get the credit, many plants depend exclusively on moths for their reproduction. Some species of flowers release their fragrance only at night, attracting these insects to ensure the continuity of their species. Without moths, many ecosystems could collapse. But not everything is perfect in the world of moths. Like other pollinators, they face increasing threats due to habitat destruction, pesticides, and climate change. The decline in moth population serves as a warning about the fragility of ecosystems and the urgent need for environmental protection. Preserving moths also means safeguarding countless other life forms that depend on them. Did you know that some cultures attribute symbolic meanings to moths? In various traditions, they are seen as symbols of transformation, hope, and renewal. Their metamorphosis has inspired myths and legends worldwide, linking them to the supernatural and the spiritual. Even today, spotting a moth is considered a sign of good luck or an impending change. Finally, we cannot overlook the scientific impact of moths. Studies on their wings are helping researchers develop new materials, such as anti-reflective surfaces and water-repellent coatings. Moreover, their behavior and physiology continue to provide valuable insights in fields like biology, ecology, and technology. Moths continue to surprise us in unexpected ways. A fascinating curiosity is the ability of some species to survive in extreme environments, such as deserts and mountainous regions. They have developed unique adaptations, such as dense hairs that help retain heat on cold nights or internal mechanisms that conserve water. These traits make them true survivors. Additionally, did you know that some moths are toxic? That's right. Species like the monarch moth accumulate toxins from the plants they consume during their caterpillar phase. These compounds make them unappealing to predators, ensuring natural protection. This defense strategy, combined with their vibrant color patterns, serves as a warning to keep predators at bay. Another interesting fact is that moths also have social chatter. Recent studies show that some species produce sounds to communicate, especially during reproduction. This behavior is more common than we might imagine and reveals the complexity of their interactions. We also cannot forget the relationship between moths and art and culture. Many artists and writers have been inspired by these insects to create works that symbolize fragility and resilience. Their ephemeral beauty continues to captivate people of all ages, showing that even the smallest details of nature can have a profound impact on our lives. As we conclude this journey through the world of moths, it becomes clear that these insects are far more than their delicate appearance suggests. They are nature's engineers, masters of camouflage, and symbols of transformation. Protecting them is not just about respecting biodiversity. It's a commitment to the future of our planet. So, the next time you see a moth, take a moment to appreciate the complexity and beauty of this small miracle of nature.